Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, Afar, and Tigray region is that there are many reports about the wars that are currently going on in Amhara and Afar region, of which I will share with you the most important. Viewers, the war that is currently going on in the Amhara region has now changed completely because a war was first launched after a complete preparation by the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies, in which the purpose of Ethiopian National Defense Force was to defeat the soldiers of Tigray Defense Force who are currently present in the Amhara region, and all areas in the Amhara region should be controlled again. And at the same time, the capital of Tigray region, Mekelle, should also be controlled. And about this, Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed also expressed his views before starting the war. And just as war preparations were made by the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies, there were expectations that reports of victories would be received from the Ethiopian National Defense Force on a daily basis. But the situation here is very different now. Instead of Ethiopian National Defense Force, there are reports from Tigray Defense Force to make hundreds of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers prisoners of war and to gain control over more areas of Amhara region. Viewers, now Tigray Defense Force has been told that Tigray Defense Force has started the war in South Wollo. According to the latest reports, the heavy war between the Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force has begun on the A2 highway towards the Dessie city. Heavy attacks are being carried out from both sides, and Tigray Defense Force is now moving towards Dessie again. Just as Tigray Defense Force is moving forward and soldiers of the Ethiopian National Defense Force are surrendering, Tigray Defense Force seems to be approaching Dessie very soon. Tigray Defense Force has said that TDF soldiers have started war on 3 sides in South Wollo, and Dessie is one of the main places in South Wollo. Viewers, and here I have informed you that Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers are being surrendered because since the war began, Tigray Defense Force has been claiming that Tigray Defense Force has captured hundreds of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers during the war, and pictures and videos of captured soldiers of Ethiopian National Defense Force are also shared, which I shared with you in the previous video. Hundreds of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers can be seen in these videos. Now, a new video has been received from the Tigray capital Mekelle, which seems to look like a celebration in Mekelle because the captured soldiers of the Ethiopian National Defense Force are being brought to central capital Mekelle. And in this video, you can see everything with your eyes. First you watch this video and then talk about the ongoing war in the Afar region, because we are receiving big and important information from Afar region about the ongoing war. Viewers, I have already informed you that there is a heavy war going on in the Amhara region as well as in the Afar region. And there are reports from Afar region that in this war there are Eritrean soldiers who are fighting against Tigray Defense Force in Birhale. According to reports received from Afar region, Tigray Defense Force has seized Aura from all sides after an ongoing battle in and around Aura for the last 2 days. And Tigray Defense Force soldiers are close to gaining control over Aura as well as other areas in Afar region. Viewers, on the other hand, according to 4 sources familiar with the agreement, Turkey has expanded its exports of armed drones by negotiating sales deals with Morocco and Ethiopia after their successful use in international conflicts. Turkey, Ethiopia, and Morocco have not formally announced any armed drone deals, but several sources familiar with the arrangements provided details. One Turkish official said Ethiopia and Morocco had both requested purchases of TB2 drones in agreements that could also included spare part guarantees and training. The sources did not say how many drones were involved in the deals or provide financial details. Viewers, Ethiopia's military and the Prime Minister's office did not respond to request for comment on the matter. So viewers, so far is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.